See this color, that bright golden yellow, that tangy raw mango aroma. This is my Amma's Mavinakayi Chitranna, Karnataka's most loved summer recipe. Ready in just minutes. Tastes like childhood. Stay with me. Namaskara. Every summer, my Amma makes this one dish that entire family waits for, Mavinakayi Chitranna, the raw mango rice. Simple ingredients, Amma's secret tempering technique, and that one special touch that makes this taste completely different from every other Chitranna you have ever eaten. Today, I'm making my Amma's method. Let's begin. Here is everything you need. First, the hero of this recipe, one fresh raw mango. Amma has finely grated it, not coarsely, finely. The fine grating releases all the juices and tang into the rice. This is the first secret. Keep this aside. Next, a 250 grams of cooked rice, that is 1 cup. Look at the rice, perfectly fluffy, every grain separate. This exactly the texture you need. Whether you use fresh cooked rice or leftover rice from the last night, both work perfectly for this Chitranna. Amma keeps this in a mixing bowl and set it aside. Now the tempering begins. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 tablespoons of peanuts. Fry them on a medium flame until they are perfectly crispy. This takes about 2 minutes. Do not rush this. Perfectly fried peanuts add that essential crunch to every single bite of Chitranna. Once done, remove and keep it aside. In the same oil, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of Jeera Seeds, that jeerige, half a teaspoon of Urad Dal, that's uddina bele, 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, that's kadale bele. And now we'll add 2 sprigs of fresh curry leaves, 8 to 9 green chilies. You can adjust this according to your spice preference. And now add 2 pinches of asafoetida, that's hingu. Fry everything together until the dal turns golden brown and the chilies are perfectly fried. That aroma right now, that is the smell of authentic Karnataka cooking. Now add 1 finely chopped onions and saute for a bit on a high flame. And now add required amount of salt, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, that arishina. Saute on medium flame until the onions turn slightly translucent, and this would take you about around 3 minutes or so. Do not overcook the onions, slightly translucent, that's it, that is the target. And now the hero of the entire recipe, the freshly grated raw mango goes in. Mix everything well together. Cook on a high flame for about 2 minutes. You must cook this until the oil floats on the top. When you see the oil floating, your tempering is perfectly ready. Look at this. Oil on the top, onions are perfectly translucent, raw mango perfectly cooked into the masala. This is exactly the Amma's secret tempering technique, and this is how it should look like. Now the most satisfying part, bring everything together. To the cooked rice in a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Then the perfectly fried crispy peanuts, that's kadale bija. And now the entire prepared tempering goes on top of the rice. Mix everything gently but thoroughly. Make sure the rice is coated with that beautiful golden yellow tempering. Check the seasoning. Add salt if needed. In this case, everything is perfect. And there it is. My mother's Mavinakayi Chitranna is perfectly ready. Look at that color, that golden yellow from the turmeric and raw mango, the crispy peanuts throughout, the aroma of the tempering. This is summer on a plate. Sorry, this is my Karnataka on plate. Before we close, three things to remember. One, always grate the raw mango finely. Second, cook the tempering until the oil floats on the top. This is non-negotiable. And the third, mix the rice gently. Do not mash the grains. Every grain must stay separate. These are Amma's three rules of making a perfect Mavinakayi Chitranna. This is my mother's complete secret of Karnataka most loved summer recipe. That's Mavinakayi Chitranna. Simple, fresh, perfectly tangy, ready in under 20 minutes. Try this at home and tell me in the comments, did you use fresh rice or leftover rice? I want to know. If this recipe made you smile, share it with someone who loves the mango seasons as me, and it will make their day. And Amma, thank you for sharing another beautiful recipe of yours with everyone. Subscribe to Deepaks Kitchen and hit the bell icon so you never miss a single recipe. See you in next one. Till then, Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.